It's another epic buybacking.
It's the third one in about 5 minutes.
Oh, take 3,000. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael.
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. How much more fast can I go?
I don't know, but that must be the 50th time we've done this take.
Yeah, probably. And I've got to, apparently I have to slow down that I mentioned that we ship worldwide because we get a lot of questions on that.
Yeah. I don't know why we've had a run just lately.
Yeah, what's an epic buybacking?
An epic buybacking is where we buy back a large quantity of something from one of our customers that's come in.
Yep.
So the customer's come in, wants to dispose of their stash for whatever reason. We don't tend to usually ask why they want to get rid of it.
It's their business.
And if we get enough of the one type together sort of thing, we like to release it as an epic buybacking to give you guys the chance to pick up something a little bit different or a larger number of something at a better price.
Absolutely. And speaking of, our buyback prices, we pay spot.
We do. We buy back at spot. So this
sometimes under, depending on the volume that you're bringing in. But with silver, it's got to be a lot of it.
Yeah. So this was all bought back in one hit.
Yep, at spot.
Yeah.
So you can bring in your own metal. Now let's have a look at what we've got.
Now one of these is opened.
Yep.
We opened it to have a good gander at it.
Yep.
So we'll just open this one.
Fantastic. What have we got for our epic buybacking?
Fantastic. I might get a few of them out actually.
Okay, sure.
So these are produced by the Scottsdale Mint in the US. So all of our US guys will be yawning slightly. But we don't get a lot of these in Australia.
No, Scottsdale's awesome.
Yeah, they're an awesome coin.
Love Scottsdale. So
that's what they look like there. They're a 1 ounce round.
Yeah, that's
1 ounce coin.
That's the Omnia round.
It is the Omnia round.
I've been in this industry a number of years now. I recognise these coming through when they originally came out. I think it was 2014 when they came out originally. The Omnias. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was.
And we have lots and lots and lots. So you can buy them individually.
Yep.
You can buy them in tubes of
20. It'll be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
20 in a tube.
20 in a tube.
Yep.
Yes.
500 in a box.
And 500 in a box.
Cool.
So, and I think the bottom 3 boxes are technically sealed at this stage. They obviously will be pulled out, tested, and looked at.
Fantastic. Let's take a quick little closer gander. They're in buyback condition, of course, so always keep that in mind. But they're at buyback price.
They are.
What is the buyback price?
The buyback price on these is spot plus 5.
$500. That's crazy.
Spot plus $5 Australian.
Australian dollars.
Everyone
yes.
overseas is going to panic at that.
Yeah.
So it's plus $5, and then there'll be a volume discount on it as well.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Yeah, you just threw a big curve there. I didn't realise you were going to do that.
Yeah, and Ruben's in the background. You can't see him, but he's having a heart attack.
All right. So okay, buyback price plus a volume discount.
Correct.
You're just full of surprises.
You're full of something.
As usual, head over to bullionnow.com.au, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. These are not going to last very long. I'm assuming, even though we have like a couple of thousand of them, I'm going to let's play a guessing game. I'm going to say less than 48 hours.
I reckon you'll get 5 days out of them.
Okay. Closest to either wins all the glory. Sound good?
Buys lunch.
Buys lunch. Well, it's going to be steaks on you, big boy.
Okay.
All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And of course, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.